Everyone getting. Shweta, is everyone coming back?
Shall we do it? Cut order on the problem.
Yeah, everyone stand like this. So everyone will get a chance. Jenny, you can also stand near.
Automated ESR determination analyzer actually, and for start, turn it on, power, main power, and here is the main switch. This will turn the machine, turn on the machine, and we have to wait for some time.
So ideally in ESR we are supposed to take
this initializing. This will be displayed on the screen, and we have to wait for this one to finish. Okay, and in the meantime, yeah, you should be closed.
During initializing you should not open the lid. The lid should be closed. Okay. Then normally in ESR we should take citrate for an anticoagulant, but in Erba ESL 30, EDTA is the correct choice. EDTA anticoagulant for ESR. Okay, please be in mind. Yeah.
And after that, this there is hardware check done by the auto analyzer. Okay, and then it will automatically check. And then after that, this screen will display, and from here we can load the sample. And according to the book, there is that EDTA should have a barcode label. That means I think that the label should be done by R, the technician. As you all know that we analyze it, okay, get barcode, sample labeling and all, but we don't have any barcode here, so we'll just write the number, and that barcode should face. Here there is one light emitting this LED or laser, and yes, and that barcode should face the LED, okay, like this. And so, after that we will close, and then the auto analyzer will automatically detect the barcode, and then it will register here as a sample ID and all. Okay, but for now we don't have that barcode, so we will just enter manually. And for to do that the test, okay, this cover should not after barcoding. Okay, that means after sample IDing, you should open it again and reshuffle and rotate the tube. Okay, rotate the tube so that this cover doesn't hide this part. Okay,
I will tell again. See students, if the vial already have barcode, the machine has two normal steps. One is first barcode will face to the machine. Machine will take the barcode data. Okay, then it will automatically display on the display. Okay, since our vial don't have barcode, okay, we will directly face non-barcode area, the blood area, directly to the laser. So laser will hit and it will ask us to input the details of the sample. So since there is no barcode, ours are going to place it directly to the laser like this, and he will enter manually of this data, okay, ID. So that is what he is saying. And inside there is a positioning 1, 2, 3, 4. So you need to enter samples as per the sequence 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So now he is replacing back in the right slot, facing the blood to the sensor. Okay. Yes. Very good. 4 samples. Okay.
And after that, we'll close this one.
We will close the door. Yes.
We can do it like this. Here
settings
and load test.
Load test.
Sorry.
We need to go for load the test.
Yes, and then here like place RFID tag. That means the barcoding. Okay. So we don't have the barcoding. We'll just go. This is the home button.
Home button.
Yes, and then automatically the display will give us keyboard. Okay, so that we can enter manually.
So that it is trying to see whether there is a barcode in the samples or not.
Yes.
So it is trying to search for barcodes. When there is no barcodes, the system the system asking us to enter the IDs now.
Yes.
Okay, sample number 1. I hope we know the sequence, right?
Yes.
Now you are seeing.
Sample number 1 is, I think it's Remas ID 35.
35 is Remas. Okay.
That's why.
Or you can simply write the roll numbers also.
And then
yeah.
accept again, and then this. and then the
Position 2.
yes, and then the auto analyzer will know that the first test is Erba's sample, so that it will automatically go to the next sample holder. I think it is number 2, and then number 2 is who is 33.
33.
Len. Okay, I'll just put Len or roll number also available. I'll just do Len again and then accept again.
Accept. Very good.
And then it will automatically next to the next sample. That means number 3.
Number
Okay. Number 3 is,
Who is number 3?
I think it's Truanga. That's okay.
Yes.
Yes. Let me just double check it.
Since all 4 samples IDs are already entered, now we are going for running the test.
Yes.
We need to accept the 4 samples.
Accept.
Okay. The 4 samples are accepted.
And then we'll just like
Start. Now we are starting.
Yes.
The lid is closed. We should not open the lid in this phase.
And then this auto analyzer have 7 minutes, 7.5 minutes. Okay, it will do the test, run the test. Okay, it's sample.
So what is the first 7 minutes? What it doing in first 7 minutes?
It's mixing.
It is mixing the sample.
Yes.
So ideally we should not open the lid, but I can show you. See, now our CR will show. See, the samples are mixing just like that.
Yes.
You can zoom it. See, the samples are automatically mixing. They will mix for next 7 minutes. Okay, so automatic completely. Very good.
Enough setup.
Ideally we should not force open the lid. Okay, it's already auto locked inside actually. So after 7 minutes, what should we do?
We have to wait.
Wait, what it will do after 7 minutes?
After 7 minutes, and the system will give us some information again, and then like to open the dome, and then automatically report it here, and then we can print it out.
Oh, that's it. After 7 minutes, it might take around 10 more minutes, then we will get the results. That's it. Now, the idea is, since it is an auto analyzer, we will cross compare auto analyzer details with manual method. This results with manual method to correlate how accurate these two are.
Yes, and like while you're doing the test, okay, we can also abort this test, okay. If you want to add more sample, okay, you can just press stop, and then the system will show again abort button, okay, and then you will press that, and then after you aborted it, the system will say like this: run aborted by the user. Okay, and then after that you can add a sample again, and then you can rerun the test again.
That means, is this machine has pause option? Can
Yes,
I
that
pause
means-
it?
Yes, that is the pause option.
That is the pause option.
Yes,
Okay.
just by aborting it.
Aborting it.
Yes.
Okay. So got it. Any more doubts? So we